Mm-hmm. You may or may not realize that you have extraordinary running through your veins. You do. Right now you do. Can I preach? Can I preach for just a second? It's Sunday. And I was just thinking, God spent a lot of time forming you, okay? He spent a lot of time thinking and forming. You were in your mama's belly for 9 months, right? Some of you didn't want to come out of there. Some of you popped out a little early. And while you were in there, God was forming you perfectly, intricately, all your little details, right? He was making all your little organs, forming your heart. He already knew, hey, I think I'm going to give this one some wild curly hair. I'm going to give her brown eyes. She's going to be a little mouthy. She's going to be a little sassy. But she's going to love people. And she may not be perfect, but she's going to be just the way I made her. And if I can just preach for a second, He did the same thing with you. Good morning. Good morning, Connie. He did the same thing with you. He didn't spend 9 months forming all your little parts and all your personality for you to put it in a box and stick it in the attic. Anybody feel me here? And so you have extraordinary running through your veins. Everyone's not like you. They don't think like you. They don't have the same ideas that you have. You may assume that, and I think this is an easy thing to kind of fall into, is assuming that everybody thinks like we do. And when we do that, it keeps our feet frozen in one spot. You have an idea that no one else has right now. You have an inspiration that no one else has. They haven't thought of it yet. And yet you may think, oh, well, that's silly. That's a no-brainer. Everyone knows that. It's not. And so today, I just wanted to preach a minute and say, that idea that you have, that inspiration that you have, that inkling, that nudge, whatever you want to call it, go for it. That's divinely given to you. Yeah? Connie says she's got chills. This is the stuff that fires me up. Everyone's not like you. Everyone's not like me. God didn't spend all that time making you and thinking about you for you to have an average, mediocre life. That is not possible. And so think about that today and realize you have something special in you. And it was put in there for a very specific purpose. And it wasn't meant to be locked in a box and set aside or hidden. Some of y'all need to quit squashing yourself and quit hiding out. And quit waiting for someone else to do it or think it or feel it. You already know. You already know what you need to do. And so that's the message today. I'm excited. I'm excited about my life. I have great ideas. I've got inspirations. I have inklings. I have nudges that other people don't have. And so do you. And so get out there and shine. There goes my dog barking at my neighbor's chickens. I love it. Get out there and shine today. Stop hiding. Stop hiding yourself. Give me some likes, some hearts, y'all. Do your thing. You have something special in you. It's extraordinary, actually. It's remarkable. It's uncanny. Don't waste it. Don't hide it. And for heaven's sake, don't leave it under the tree unwrapped. It's a gift. Just preaching for a Sunday. Love y'all. As always, cheers to my coffee drinking people. I love y'all. Jason, stop hiding yourself. Jason, you're lit up, man. I love watching your videos. You're definitely not hiding yourself. And so, there it is. Love you guys. Have an awesome, awesome day. Wish I could stay live all day. but I'm going to go. Because now I'm going to go to church. Love you guys. Smile at you later.